Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Amir Sultan. I am a QHSE consultant. This is my chapter 3 of my lectures. I will start my lecture by telling you, all of you, that I've been certified by International NEBOSH on health and safety practical assessment. This is my certificate which shows that I am internationally certified on health and safety practical assessment. So this is, I got it last year in December. Now the lecture will begin about the QHSE, and today I will be discussing about the few topics again. First of all, comes up work instructions. Work instructions plays a key role within the factory where the work is going on. Work instructions are basically written about the process of doing the work for each of the machinery which is present in the industry, and work instructions should be present for each of the machine, and which each of the each process which is going on in the factory, wherever it has to be placed down. So it plays a vital role also. It need to be checked once a month at least. Then comes up legislation system. Legislation systems plays an important role also, and it's a part of a QHSE system. Legislation system means that what laws, legal laws are applicable to the organization or institution where this standard need to be implicated. All the laws need to be enlisted and need to be implemented into the organization step by step. Then comes up health system. Health system is also a very important part of QHSE system, as it needs to be checked and verified. Health system basically includes of health cards of all the employees present in the factory and or in the institutions. Their health cards need to monitor and need to be updated and need to be checked and verified on regular basis. Then comes up suppliers evaluation. Suppliers evaluation is basically suppliers data and information about their processes, what they are doing in their company, and what things are they giving to us, and how their performance is, how much updated those suppliers are, how goods they are giving to the factory, how is their quality rating. So these all parameters are checked on the supplier evaluation form from the supplier's end. Then comes the procurement. Procurement is also a very important role, and it's a key part of a QHSE. It has been added recently. It consists of all the purchases which is done for the company on the regular basis. The procurement system need to be updated also. Then comes up improvement. Improvement is also a very important part of a QHSE system. All the improvements which need to be addressed in the management review meeting, or whatever the improvement QHSE consultant thinks or QHSE manager in a company thinks need to be addressed to the management, so that the improvement in the QHSE system can be made. Then comes up underlying policies and related things in the factory. The QHSE policy which I described in the chapter 1 need to be known to each employee present in the factory or institution. They should memorize, they should know what the concept of the policy of the company is, and they should know the actual wording, it has been phrased down in the policy. Each employee in the factory, whoever is working in the institution or in the factory. Then comes up passageway marking. Passageway marking is the yellow markings which are done in the factory institutions to make it clean and neat. These are also very important. Then comes up cranes checking. Cranes is a part of machinery. In the industry there are a lot of cranes present. The cranes should be inspected once a month and need to be verified on a proper form and on the basis. Then comes up forklifters regular inspection. Forklifters need to be checked regularly on the monthly basis, but it need to be checked regularly on the daily basis by the people who are running that equipment. But by the management, by the people who are the QHSE rep, they can check it at least once a month, so that the reports are maintained or they are looked up properly. Then comes up accident reports. Any accident going on in the factory need to be reported to the QHSE department on the regular basis. There is prescribed form of that, and these need to be filled out and to be given to the QHSE department, so that they can take out the analysis where the accident is going on, take the remedial action, so that in the future accident doesn't occur. Then comes of safety reports. Safety reports summary need to be made for a complete month, and it need to be maintained for all the year. Then comes the firefighters. Firefighters are the people who use the fire extinguishers to extinguish the fire in case of any anarchy, and they firefighters need to be present all over the factory, and if any anarchy comes, they should extinguish the fire. Then comes the first aiders. First aiders are also very important part of the this system. The people need to be trained on first aid, and in terms of any anarchy, they should be able to give first aid till the patient is sent to the hospital or clinic for the treatment. And this is the end of my life chapter 3. For any context regarding consultancy regarding QHSE, you can contact me at +92 335 734 7400. My email address is amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.